can set a bank rule from your bank statement upload. This is the way. Click on Upload a new statement. File import. So, for example, I have multiple non-GB transaction fees here. So I can set an automated bank feed. So every time when I upload my bank statement, this transaction will be posted automatically and I will not need to click one by one. How to do it? On the right-hand side, there is a green button with 3 dots, which means that there's more actions to do. And there is a Create Bank Rule. Click on Create Bank Rule. Name, I will select one of, let's say, bank charges. Description includes. So if description includes non-GB transaction fee, to post as bank charges, I would delete second line, and this is because my non-GB transaction fees will always change. So I want to apply this bank rule to all non-GB transaction fees to post to particular category. And in this case, I will have bank charges and interest paid. So all non-GB transaction fees, if this is included in my description, system will post on behalf of me to 700, which is bank charges and interest. So, and I can select either auto ignore transaction or auto confirm transaction. I will select that auto confirm transaction, so I will not need to go and manually review every single line. And click apply this rule. Now system will apply this bank rule. You can see all my non-GB transaction fees have gone. When you click on confirmed, you can see that 4 of them being automatically confirmed. So going forward, when I will upload my bank statement, it will automatically confirm non-GB transaction fees because I have set up a bank rule. So you can set up this bank rule for any transactions which recurs quite often, let's say direct debit payments or standard payments. Also, if you receive some money every week or month, frequently, you can apply the same bank rules. So if you need to amend in a later point bank rules, click on Banking, Bank Rules, and there is this bank rule set up for bank charges. You can edit or you can delete if it will be not applicable in the future. This is a way how you can set up bank rules and use in advantage and more automated process or improve more automated process for your bank reconciliations.